we all doing? I hope you are doing well and great. Our. Now who they there? Now who they calavante? Now who they Now who Our pastor Apostle Suleiman still made that to my table today. Now who they there? Our pastor Apostle Suleiman. My people, my beautiful people, my correct people. I go like me when I hear from Apostle Suleiman Johnson. Wetin he done debunk again. You guys know say this our pastor. You know the terrorist nonsense, so you know be Jesus Christ, so you know be prophetic be Joshua.
There is a group of people that invaded the internet recently. They call them the obedient. I have my reservation. There are certain dimensions I have my reservation. I'm not in support of you attacking people's candidates. If somebody says I'm voting for this person, that person's right. Don't attack people. But when the people come for your own, bully them. These words cannot stand their type. Those who are uncomfortable with that group are those who are ex-bullies. They saw current bullies bullying former bullies. They could not have saw their candidate without bullying the bully. If you are too gentle, this world is too busy to hear you. Anybody who says, why are you talking like that? Ask them, why did you talk like that? If you do not like a reaction, what's your action? You can't insult me. I respond. You say you thought I'm a Christian. I thought you are an unbeliever. If you didn't respect the fact I'm a man of God, I won't respect the fact that you are a child of the devil. To survive in this world, you can't be normal. Having a normal mentality in an abnormal world is insanity. I want you to understand a few things, because there is the spirit of religion that makes you think that calmness is spirituality. There is something people do that I hate. They call it damage control. Somebody says something bad about you. You now look for somebody to say good. I hate it with passion. I don't like it. My idea of damage control is damage the damager. That person who says something bad, make the person feel pain. This stupidity of people will abuse you online. You keep quiet because you are a Christian. God is not on social media. What is God's Twitter handle? Psalm 115 verse 16, the heavens of the heavens is the Lord, the earth as if given to the sons of men. Jeremiah chapter 51 verse 20, you are my battle axe. If anybody gives you bars, give him bars.
Hey!
We live in a generation that believes story without hearing both sides. Somebody comes out and says something, you've not even analyzed, you've not even heard from the other person, you conclude. They say, why not you forgive as a Christian? Forgiveness is not memory loss. God believes in consequences. That is why he made hellfire. There is hellfire because God believed that if you do evil, you pay evil. You do anyhow, you see anyhow. So the only people that should be spared are those who apologize and come to their senses. Forgive them. But you cannot forgive anybody who has not realized that they are wrong. You don't know forgiveness. For there to be forgiveness, there must be admittance of guilt. When anyone attacks you, let your rebuttal be brutal. Have you seen Mortal Kombat? Fatality. Don't let anyone slide you to depression. Compress them with a reply. How do God forgive us? We admit that we are wrong. God now forgive. You can't forgive somebody who has not realized that they are wrong. And confess. When you have not, then let them deal with you. Carry that mentality, that mindset. That is what it takes to survive.
Any person.
People, my people. Area. Hey. Well, as a pastor, the one when me, I read, they follow them, and so rest in peace. He go say, God is peace. He go say, when you throw stone, when your enemy throws stone, then you took that stone again, you throw it to your enemy, then it go backfire. As a Christian, we are pigs. Jesus Christ, if they give you slap for here, turn the other side. But according to this, our pastor now, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, for your side, Sha, I still feel, I can't say no, because some people in this earth, they are undoable. Some people can do you, they'll tell you mostly they know you are the type who forgive easily. And you are the type who take things as just normal. Many people in this world, some of them, they will overuse you. According to him, he said it's not good when this particular person, he join any candidate of his own choice. You don't have right to be bullying that person. You don't have right to be insulting that person. I received once, I don't want to call that person one kind name inside my YouTube studio. I don't tell you, if this particular comment what I want drop, so this you know yourself, respect yourself. You are a content creator. Should have faced me with that your content channel. Face me with that your content channel. If na English you sabi speak, me or they give you with it broken. Because I saw freedom my one corner when you carry that your rotten hand, go to drop stupid comment for my comment section. Respect yourself. Use your face, your channel, your real channel face. Content face me, I give you back. Maths not they pay me, oh. Maths not they pay me. You know you. Only a content creator can drop this stupid comment. How organic person, how somebody who is not a content creator can know something like this to drop. Be very careful. I'm not a shit licker in this street. I don't look people shit face. If you come for me, I will come for you. If you give me woto woto, I will give you woto woto. If you shine your eye for me, I will shine my own for you. Be very careful. I respect my, I know my boundary. I know they like to pass my boundary so that when they go talk, they'll say that you look for trouble. That is why when I go see say the fire they come and suffer, come on for your cycle so that make that your fire, make you carry and come myself, make my own quench that your own. Be very careful. Don't try me. Use your rich channel to come fix me. You know yourself. Be very careful. If maybe your age, maybe you never mature for age, not be by go school. You go school, you don't get the brain. You are zero. Look people as a children. Look people at your mates. You know your mates. Respect yourself. This person, he dropped me comment. This person say, where he, now go they read that for there. He said, where he already this time, Tinubu did not win this presidency. Now you win now. Now your head win if Tinubu not win now. I'll fix you now. As I just read this your comment. If they born you rich, come back with your real face because you know this person drop this comment. You are a content creator. Tinubu not win this presidency. Now you know who win now. Now you win now, be. I said Tinubu not win now, but he did there. Now you did there, be now one of your people did there. I lost respect for Kumuyi. Kumuyi don't need your respect. People when they've given respect, you not reach the ant. You not reach their ant. You not reach them. Have quarter, in fact. Their water when they drink water, you not reach them. People when they give Kumuyi respect, the pastor of deeper life. People when matter when they give her respect. Your own now like this. Now carry politics like say now get with you now they get. Now they inside poverty. Now they inside suffer. The suffer go they smear around now. They fake life on social media. Who try to live the kind life when you want like to live. Now go they say the person now he suffer part, but now they pass the real suffer. Oh. For getting into politics by supporting someone who stole the now you be thief. You be the biggest thief for this life. You be the thief. Tinubu thief you. Can you prove one thing when Tinubu thief you? Now you be the biggest thief. You be the biggest thief. You, this particular person at Nene. You, this particular person, when you carry that your rotten hand, come take comment for my comment section. Now you be the biggest thief. Notice I live at Apostle Johnson. I face this your comment. Now you be the real thief. Someone who stole the mandate, Naija Daughter. Please stay out. You dey craze. You wear. Your brain leave you. Your brain, it leaves you. You don't do politics before. You wear at all. You wear. You say now your body they hot. You wear. Look me well. Look me well. You wear. If they tell me I leave politics, they born you with you don't. Your papa, you don't ever do politics before. You don't. Yeah, kidnapper. All those people they don't send her come in her house. You don't experience no politics violence. You don't experience. You wear. You wear at all. You dey tell me say Naija daughter, take yourself. You what did they use yourself they do for inside the politics? You when you carry that I call it rotten hand. Rotten hand. You when you carry this your rotten hand, cut a drop comment for my comment section. You say me I take myself out. You when you want to put yourself, why you they put yourself for politics? You ever see me say I put myself for politics? I say anyone when you win, I'm with that politics. Who needs goods? If not be your info when they chop you, when you know it's your hidden agenda, if you don't have it, anyone when you win, then we support. You not see Nello Okeke. You do pass Nello Okeke. You this comment when drop comment for my comment section. You do pass Nello Okeke. Nello Okeke use all your body, all her body, all your family. At the end, you hear the statement when that lady go sleep. Now lost to na sense feeling now the 5 person 12 now one day, exchange word. If you come for me, don't use this ninja. Use your real face. Contact drop comment for my comment section. I know they look for trouble, but if you come for me, I know they fear. I know they run. Now this my house, I will sit down. I will give one back to you. I will edit and go upload and go leave one for you for there. You were. The reason why I tell you, I said, content creator, when he head, the salad dada, when you get some dada, when some art don't chop, now you can drop this comment for me. Naija Daughter, please please yourself. First of all, go and please yourself. If you can please yourself, I believe you will please others. Carry yourself, enter house and please yourself. Are you normal? You normal at all? You normal? You don't bow before you come carry that your rotting hand, cut a drop comment. See, nobody buy my phone. I dey call anybody auntie, mommy, daddy, this. You know me say you calavante enter my area. You know me. You know me. Now how my dad, my parents, say, train us. Well, I feel so small picking and maybe your face strong past me. I feel so, oh auntie, oh man. You know me. Not look me say, hey, this girl just need. Not try me, oh. Not cross your boundary for this social media space. Everybody know your boundary. If I come your boundary, do anything you want to do. If I not near your boundary, you can't cross your boundary, enter my boundary. Anything in there, my hand, if you use them, I not be person that they use court letter, I think they threaten, I not go school, but not try me, not try me with this my broken English. Not try me, Not look me like this, Respect your old age, or respect your young age, Look me well. Now me be the Naija daughter. Stefan, attention, Take your full step back, Naija daughter, stay away from politics and stick to your yambo. Now yambo has a reaction they kill you. You where? Now you go tell me wait I go react. You demand. Now you go tell me wait. Now you go tell me wait where I want react on. Now you get my channel for more. You tell me say stay with your you where? I dey ask you. You where? Your sense they think where sha. I hope you never lost them. I hope your sense still there with you. I hope your sense he never leave you. He there with you. I hope you hear what Apostle Suleiman talk just now. I not be TB Joshua. I not be Jesus Christ. If you bite me, if something sharp there my hand, go use and remove your own neck. Be very careful. Look at me well. I'm not saying I come from rich home. I come from poor home. I not sabi speak English. Now broke I take the knacker. I not the fake in my life. Now how I be now I come outside. I know they do like this, like who not the shit. You when you they do like who not the shit. Wait, what? Respect yourself. Respect your young age. If you don't have respect for your senior, respect yourself. If you old past me, learn how to respect children. Please, I not come your area. Not come my area. The time you say me I stick with your young. Now you get your sense leave you. When you they type this nasty comment for my comments, just you now your papa get Nigeria. No, me they ask you now your papa get Nigeria. If the man really still land, now Europe they for British so they take vote. The man still like go remove her now, go carry your soldiers, your mopo, maybe now go remove her. Tinubu not get anything go give me. Tinubu not get anything they add to my life. Tinubu do Nigeria. Let us see the good things. Let's see the good things. What the citizens want. What be the rubbish when you hear when they make you the para say may you stick with your yambohanze. Now you go tell me I stick with my yambohanze. But they catch you now for this street too. Respect your old age. If you want come clear yourself. Call me. I go answer you. I will give them back to you. Woto. Mouth. This mouth. Whether you use them eat, you use them talk. As far as shift, I respect my cycle. I know the area where they face. I know the front where they face. I dey face am well. Don't come close to me, Don't come close to me at all. If you don't know me, ask about me. Ask. I know the fear, You give me, I'll give you back. Don't try am. I know when organic person drop me comments. Organic people will not tell you, say, stick with your how organic person will tell you yambohanzi. How? If you not be content creator, all my fellow you not respect na old age, You not respect na old age. If they pain una, make pain una enter the bone marrow, continue to react about Tinubu, whether it's Tifa, whether it's not Tifa. French say yo mo fool. If they pay you, go enter fire and burn to whatever you want to burn to. See they do you. Your opinion and my opinion can never be the same now. What till you like, no be what I know you before. I know now before. What did they do now self? Now some more message I give you now. Respect yourself. Anyhow, not a brigand. I'm here. Should drop nasty. Yambohanzi kill you there. They crazy. Telling me I stick with Yambohanzi. You they forbid the Yambohanzi. Me go stay there. Go sleep there now. No way. They crazy. To even measure that my name, Naija Daughter, stick with Yambohanzi. You wear. Take time, oh. Take time. No, not take time. No, not many of them. No, not take time. I dey my area. I know they look for anybody trouble. No look for my trouble. Now I dey. No look for my trouble. No come my area. They use fake accounts. Tell me, say me I stick. Yambohanzi they kill you. You wear fake life. Kill you. When they live, they craze. Who they oppress? Who? My people, my organic people. I'm sorry if you guys see me like this. Because some people for this street, if they say they lie, they can't auntie, mommy, uncle, this, they'll take you are just like that. They'll not know, say, when person don't start to get children, a lot of things dey when you go drop. Things dey when you go drop. You know, you will think of nothing dey this life. Let me give this time to my children. You know me say person, you know me say you chook am for my eye. I go chook for your eye, come out for your nose. Take time, oh. Take the time. Take the time. As far as I not cross my boundary, leave me at my boundary. Leave me, oh, Biko. No, na leave me, oh. Now, na no way, na for party, na the stove. Good people, na not the ever this. The bad one, now na the see. Na Bohanzi kill you. Tell me, sister. No, be like say.
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I they win by default and without any doubt, oh.